Hello, hello, beautiful people! Hi guys! So, for today's video, the finale of my unboxing. Ayan. So, yung item na ito is matagal na sa aking cart. Parang more than a year. And, na-curious talaga ako dito sa lasa niya. Kaya, ayan, ay ano ko na pala, check out ko na siya after 48 years. Yun, kasama yung dalawang essentials. So, oh! Sorry. Oh, wait. Ito siya. And, yung dalawa. Okay. Well packed, well bubble wrapped. Okay. Oh, nice. Sabay ganon. So, yung first two items, no, pareho lang sila ng, there, pareho. Okay. Jaran, it's Himalayan salt. Rock and fine. Coarse and fine. Okay. Hindi pala siya rock. Coarse and fine. Himalayan salt. Okay. Since nakita ko na mura lang siya, kaya isali kita para matagdagan ang aking order. So, yung 48 years ko na nasa cart ay finally, wow! Surprise siya. Finally, kilala to ng mga OFW. Alam nila kung ano to. Yan, guys. I'm so curious with the lasa of this. 5 lang pala to. So, isang kainan lang. Okay lang. Ang importante, matikman, diba? So, this is Indomie. Akin pala to. Joke. Oh, me. Oh. From Frenny. So, tawag sa akin ni hubby ay ni. Yan, Nini. So, this is Indomie. Yun. Na-curious lang po ako talaga sa lasa, kung ano yung lasa niya, yung difference niya within the local pancit canton dito sa Philippines. So this product is from saan ba ito galing? Where's my magnifying glass? Where's my magnifying glass, people? Basahin natin ha kung saan siya galing. Made in. Dito lang ba ito? Oh, it's manufactured by PT Indo Food, CBP, Success, Macmur. So, it's Jakarta, Indonesia. It's an Indonesian product. Basta yun, gusto ko siyang matikman. Wala. Wala makakapigil sa tiyan na nagka-crave. Oh, take note ha. This is a high-carb food. It doesn't matter, guys. We only live once. We only die once. Do not deprive yourself as long as you eat responsibly at hindi araw-araw. Okay? And you know your carb limit. Hayaan nyo ang mga tao nagla-life without rice, kumain paminsan-minsan ng mga pagkain na kinakain ng regular people eating the regular meal. Okay? Don't bash or whatever. Okay? Hayaan na mag-enjoy. Okay? Sabay yun, maglagay tayo ng disclaimer, oy. Diba? It's not a big deal. Like, kunyari, I am a low carber, dirty low carb, kasi hindi naman ako strict. Yung mga ingredients, hindi natin mapipigilan yan. So, kung if ever man na kumain ako ng high carb, it's up to me. Katawan ko to. Ako din. Yung makakaramdam ng something bad or what. But as long as wala naman, and yung enjoyment ay naandun, okay, happiness na andun, suportahan niyo yung taong gustong maging masaya. Okay, so that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours, Love, love, love.